What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video for you guys. I've been trying to upload more frequently, as you guys can see. I uploaded 2 so far. If you haven't seen my videos yet, go back to it, watch the first one first, and then watch the second recent. It's a lot of positive energy there. I'm just trying to throw positive energy for everybody out there. If you're trying to do something like your goal, your dream, or your dream job, or quit your job to do something that you want to do for your own business that you want to create, go ahead and do it. Jump, because if you're just working something that you don't want to do, it's not worth it, trust me. But this video today, I want to just pick up the camera because I'm driving the Mazda today, not the Supra. I know a lot of people like watching the Supra, but I'm in the Mazda. I don't mind checking the light. That's for the cat. I have a cat delete. Sometimes it comes on, sometimes it comes off, and I was too lazy to delete it, so it is what it is. That, for some reason, every now and then, when it's cold, my electric power steering acts up. I know it's dirty. I gotta clean it because every time I clean it, it fixes for a long time, and then whenever it wants, it does it again. So I'll just clean it tomorrow, and then that'll take away. And then obviously tire pressure. One of my tires is a little too low, supposedly, but I don't think so. I checked them and it's fine, so it is what it is. But anyways, I'm in the Mazda. At least it's a manual car today for you guys. It's gonna be hard to record with one hand and drive a manual another hand, but we're gonna do it. So for those of you guys that don't know what a Mazda is, the RX8 comes with a rotary engine, 1.3 liter rotary, not a piston engine. Very fun. You can rev all the way to 9,500 RPM. This car is amazing. Right now, I've been letting it warm up. I'm actually washing clothes, so all my clothes wash, might as well make you guys a video, right? So yeah, and I can't find my mount for my head, so that's another negative. I can't find my damn mount. Other than that, I'm chilling. People are looking at me like, well, I'm recording the camera, He's shifting weird because I only have one hand and the electric steering is not working, so it's gonna be very interesting. But I'm gonna get on the highway for you guys because I want you guys to hear this rotary. Your rotary is amazing, bro. A lot of people say, oh, this is an unreliable car. This car is very reliable as long as you maintain it, bro. If you're gonna treat it like a Honda Civic, no offense, I love Hondas. I have a Honda, I still own one, so don't say that I'm talking negative about Hondas now. It's not a Honda, dude. You can't just leave it alone without changing the oil for like 15,000 miles and then the car still running strong after you change it, or spark plugs. So this car is very high maintenance. It's like a girl that you want to get, right? This is a regular girl that doesn't dress nice, she just dressed regular. That would be easier to get than a girl that dresses so fancy, has everything that she already that anyone could get her, and then there's like 1,000 dudes trying to get that one girl. So this is like the rotary. You gotta highly maintain it in order to keep it. You know, very high maintenance. But other than that, it's a very fun car, bro. I pre-mix every fill up, so every time you fill up in the gas station, you do have to put oil in the gas tank as well. But it's a 2-stroke oil basically, not regular oil. I do that all the time. I change the oil frequently too. I usually change the oil around every 2,000 to 3,000 miles, depending on how I feel. I've been doing that since I owned it. Oil is very clean in this car. Car runs great. I think the only thing that I haven't done in this car that I have to do is the spark plugs and spark plug wires. That's like the only thing I haven't done. But then again, I might sell this soon, so I'm not really gonna try to do anything. I have too many cars, so I gotta get rid of it, sadly. But very fun car. I recommend it to anybody. As long as you got some money, maintain it, you're good. But once we get in the highway, I'm gonna shut up and let you guys hear this thing. This thing's a beast, bro. Heel toe for you guys, one-handed. Gotta give me some props for that. Throw some positive comments down below for anybody that's going through something. Give them some positive feedback. That way they can stay motivated and do what they gotta do in their life, bro. Some positive feedback. That'd be greatly appreciated. Alright, don't mind my shifting. Like I said, I only got one hand. I'm gonna let this guy go first. Go ahead, dude. I ain't trying to race you, bro. was a cop over there. You know, they don't really like, in Mexico, they don't like seeing nice cars pass by, you know? That sound like motorcycles in Mexico. So let me get out of the highway. Go ahead, go this way. But see, I showed you guys right there, bro. This car is just amazing, bro. Sounds freaking amazing. Looks amazing too. What car? How many cars you guys know? It's 2-door, right? But it has basically like it opens up like a 3-door because it has scissor doors. So the front 2 doors open right here, side, and then the other one opens like a truck, the opposite ways. It's just dope. Car is very high, like highly tech for its age. This one's a 2004. I had no issues. There's no smoke being burnt or anything. Like in the back of the pipe, like you think with a straight pipe it would be throwing mad smoke. No smoke, no nothing. That's how you know this car is healthy. Doesn't really eat a lot of oil. Yeah, I love this thing. This thing's dope. Sadly, I got to get rid of it. Like I said, I got the Supra, so you know that's my toy, that's my baby. So I'm gonna keep that. So I'm gonna have to get rid of everything else. I'm actually gonna sell this in my Civic. I'm just gonna stay with the Supra for now for a little time. But yeah, anybody's interested in this car, you in my area, New Jersey area, let me know. I could definitely give you guys a good deal. Clutch is brand new. I got paperwork for everything. Brand new clutch, brand new arms, a lot of things. I literally got a whole bunch of papers like this big of stuff that's been done to this car by the previous owner before I bought it. I made sure I got a good car, not no bad, shitty car. So yeah, this car is very, very reliable. All the things that were done to this car were in the shop, so I have all the receipts with everything that was done to this car. There was more than like $8,000 spent in this car from the previous owner to make this car the way it is today, and I just bought it for the price I bought it for. And yeah, I'm not trying to rob nobody. So as long as I get a good, decent deal going, we're good. I'm gonna get rid of it. Make both of us be happy. I get rid of one toy, you guys have a fun toy that's reliable and everything's already taken care of. But yeah, let me go. I'm gonna try to get up here so I can show you guys the outside for a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna end the video because I gotta go take care of other stuff that I gotta take care of. So I'll be ending the video very soon for you guys. But like always, I love speaking to you guys, love talking to you guys, love throwing positive vibes to you guys. I know there's a lot of you out there that need some positive energy, and then y'all can spread it to everybody else in the world, or whoever you talk to in between your work shift or school or whatever it may be. But anyways, let me park around here somewhere. There's light. Show you guys the car from the outside. Well, I'm not gonna show you guys everything on the outside, but because it's cold. But show you guys a little quick glimpse what a rotary RX8 looks like, and the door how it opens. Okay. Here's my RX8. Yeah. So it looks like in the back. Yeah. But this is the doors I wanted to show you guys. It opens like this. See? That's dope. There's not a lot of cars that do that. It's fire. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, great weekend. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys follow your dreams, follow any goal that you wish to follow. Don't ever give up on anything. Don't let nobody give you any negative feedback. If somebody's giving you negative feedback on something that you want to do, that's not a real friend or relative, because it could be your own blood that be trying to bash you for what you're trying to do and trying to accomplish. Makes no sense. Like they would rather you work a 9-to-5 job that you can lose. That's not a stable job. You still could lose at any point, get laid off, and then you gotta find another job and hopefully not get laid off from that job. Might as well just start your own business and take the leap of faith and then be your own boss and not have to worry about nothing and have people to work for you and help them grow as well. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this rotary video with the RX8, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna try to post more frequently, so yeah, stay tuned. Peace.